In this video, I'm going to show you how to upgrade your Grammarly account step by step so you can unlock the pro features quickly and without any confusion. Whether you want advanced writing suggestions, clearer grammar fixes, better tone improvements, or plagiarism tools, this guide will walk you through the exact process from start to finish. If this tutorial helps you out, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software guides just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open your browser and go to app.grammarly.com. Once the page loads, log into your Grammarly account using the email address and password associated with your profile. If you're already signed in, you'll land directly in your Grammarly dashboard. This is the starting point for upgrading your account, so make sure you're in the correct profile before moving on. After you're logged in, look over to the left sidebar menu. You'll see several options there, and what you want to click is Account. Once the Account section opens, select Subscription. This is where Grammarly keeps all of your plan and billing settings, so if you want to upgrade from free to pro, this is the place to do it. On the subscription page, you should now see the different plan options displayed on the screen. Grammarly typically shows free, pro, and enterprise options. Since we're upgrading to pro, look directly under the pro tier and click the Get Started button. This begins the upgrade process and takes you to the billing step. Next, Grammarly will ask you to choose your billing cycle. You'll usually see options like annual, quarterly, or monthly. Take a moment here to pick the plan that fits your budget and how long you want to commit. If you want the lowest monthly cost, the annual plan is often the best value, but if you prefer flexibility, monthly or quarterly may be better for you. Once you've selected your billing cycle, the next step is to enter your payment details. Grammarly usually allows you to pay with a credit card or PayPal, so choose whichever method is easiest for you. Carefully fill in the required billing information, double check everything, and make sure the payment details are correct before continuing. When you're ready, click Complete Purchase. This is the final step, and once your payment goes through, Grammarly will instantly activate your upgraded pro features. You should now have access to the premium writing tools, advanced suggestions, and all the benefits included with your selected plan. And that's it. You've successfully upgraded your Grammarly account. As you start using the pro features, take some time to explore everything the platform offers so you can get the most out of your subscription. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more simple tutorials like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.